Hello everyone, welcome to QB Brothers. Today I am going to show you how to make Indian flag in Rubik's Cube. If you don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, kindly check the description box. Also, notations are given in the description box. Without wasting our time, let's get into the video. So you need to keep the white on the top and the blue on the front. Now do the algorithm given on the screen. Algorithm. U D prime to L. Don't be confused. E means this layer. E L prime. E prime R prime. E prime R E. Woo! The Indian flag is ready. Please subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks for watching.